Welcome back to another episode of Google Ads Essentials, my training course on setting up a Google Ads campaign. We're going to look at location settings as part of your Google Ads setup. These can always be modified later, but these are going to come up during the campaign build. And of course, Google wants to know where you want your ads to be targeted. Now, rarely do you target an entire country. Sometimes you do. E-commerce, for example, you might. If you have a huge budget, you might. But typically, you're going to target a city, a series of cities, zip codes, a radius, a state, a county, something of that nature. So we're going to go down from this default to enter another option. And here we're going to enter the name of, I'm going to go with Tampa. We're building out a landscaping campaign. I'm in Florida, so I'm going to start with Tampa. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that you're going to see here. So you've got, this is pretty normal. You've got the Tampa, St. Petersburg, Nielsen DMA region show up here. This is a vast region that covers a significant territory outside of Tampa. So you can look, here's Tampa with 3.9 million people, and here's the DMA with 7.8 million people. So you can choose that, especially if it's appropriate for you. But we often don't know what those are until we select them. And rarely do we target an area that large. It might just be easier to target specific cities that you want to target in that region. So what we're going to do is we're going to target two. We're going to target Tampa as a city, and then we're going to do a radius around Wesley Chapel. So that's the first one. And then I'm going to go to, so that's the city that we're targeting. We're now targeting 3,900,000 people with the ads that we're going to build. Now we're going to go to advanced search, and I'm going to go to radius. It's pre-selected at 20, so I'm going to set it down lower than that to like 10. And what I'm going to do is type in Wesley Chapel. That should come up. Yeah, there we go, Wesley Chapel. And that is, as you can see, just north of Tampa. So let's say these are the areas that we want to target. We target Tampa, but we also know there's a significant number of new homes going up here in the Wesley Chapel area. So we're targeting 10 miles around Wesley Chapel. Now you can also target, we're going to save that first. You can also target by zip and by other options as well. But, you know, basically what you want to do is recreate here the market area that your customer or yourself wants to target. And you can do that through a combination of targets. There is some limit to the number of locations you can target, but for the most part, people are targeting 1, 2, or 3, you know, maybe a handful, maybe a couple dozen zip codes, that sort of thing. The only challenge that you have when targeting zip codes is lots of times there's a little space between each zip code, and you'll find that you want to cover those spaces. So that's where having a radius might come in handy, and then you can add location exclusions later. One thing I really want to note here, this is super important, and it's a mistake we see quite often, is after you've selected your locations, you want to come down to location options, and they have you preset to presence or interest, people regularly in, or who have shown interest in your included locations. And again, this is a setting that is recommended by Google. That's not recommended by anyone that builds Google Ads campaigns on a regular basis. You want to check people in or regularly in your included locations. Now, there are exceptions to that. Let's say, for example, you are a tourist destination. You have, maybe you rent paddle boards, or, you know, you rent a party bus or something like that. In that case, you may want people from all over the country who are interested in Tampa because they're coming there on vacation. But if you're a landscaping company, a roofer, you're anyone doing local services, you don't want people outside the area that have shown interest. You want people who are regularly in or in that location. So you'll want to select this 9 times out of 10. So that's our location targeting portion of the video, and we'll move into something next in the next episode of Google Ads Essentials. If you like the video, if you have questions, please drop them in comments below. Please subscribe to the channel.